Welcome to our Kitchentale. Ngayon po, tayo ay magluluto ng Turkish lamb chops. Ito po yung mga ingredients. A tablespoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder, and cumin powder. And then 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt and pepper. We need also some parsley and mint leaves. One-fourth cup of olive oil and 1/4 cup of lemon juice. And then lastly po, yung ating main ingredient, ang lamb chops. Now, let's do the procedure po. Ang gagawin lamang po natin ay imamarinate yung lamb chops. And then, sunod-sunod lang po nating ilagay yung mga spices and herbs. To give you an info about lamb meat is a fantastic source of iron, rich in vitamin B. It's a way to boost immune system. It has an anti-inflammatory assets and a healthy source of protein. Then, i-mix lamang po ng maigi and then set aside about 1 to 2 hours or more. Ngayon po, pwede na nating ihawin. Ito na po yung ating Turkish lamb chops. Here's our finished product. Thank you for watching. God bless. Jesus loves you.